Gonna stop, pick up a bento, get something cold to drink, maybe get like a small cooler, some ice, and just so we have cold drinks. But they do have a machine there, so might just use that. And didn't wash the car, more likely to get dirty anyway, so gonna try and have a great time. A lot of people out there, I don't think some of them haven't done Gymkhana. I haven't done it in a while, so hopefully Eric is there. It's pretty much the driving guru. This guy can drive. Eric Casella. Yeah, he's pretty great at driving. So he taught me a lot, especially when I first started out driving, and taught me about lines and pretty much how to go into a corner, body weight transfer. But let's see how this goes today. I hope it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Let's make it fun. Let's do this. All right, I made it, and now to get all this shit out of the car. I always overpack. Overpack, and I'm going like right down the road, like not even far from the house. Not far, but far enough. Put that in there. All right, let's get all this out, and then I will continue with some recording there. Let's get these shoes to work. Away from the sun, we are getting everything together. Pretty much got most of the stuff out of the car, stuff I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna leave my fire extinguisher in there. My computer, my laptops, I'll probably take it out and put it on the ground, but I'll put my backpack over it so it doesn't get too hot. I'm glad it's a sunny day. It's a nice weather. So do that, and I mean, I didn't wash the car. It's dirty. Whatever. Whatever. But we got some nice cars here. Let's walk around and get a few pictures and some nice video footage of some other cars. They wanted us to put our helmets and gloves on top of the car, so put that there, and put your shotgun, which is JCI policy here in Okinawa, Japan in general. So put that out. Damn, man, you gotta I gotta get on that level. You know, you gotta have your own separate set of wheels, which I'll probably use my OEM 33 wheels and wrap them in some nice rubber and use those as my track day wheels. But got some cars coming up. We got a 180. We got a diff. Check out the Lotus. Ooh, wrapping some big boys. Ohio, Ine. Wrapped in some big tires. Wow. We got all the grills. Got the Hachi. He's here in the Civic. Let me go actually start doing mine. I don't know how much. Maybe it's 1,000. Let's walk down a little bit more. Got the freaking Lexus right here. Sora. Another Hachi. Another Lotus. Another Hachi. Time to go prep my car, make sure my tire pressure is good. Make sure everything's good to go here. Oh shit, the fastest guy of the day. The fastest guy of the day, I see it already. Winner circle. What's up? I gotta check my tire pressure. I think I'm around like 28.
I put 28 in the front, 30 in the back.
Let's see how that works. If I had to use a... Damn, this dude changed the springs and everything. Damn.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Ohio, how are you?
Good. 何でしょう？はい。
車検証と
はい。
ヘルメットとグローブとあれを屋根に置いてくだ
Put
さい。
your gloves and helmet on top and pull out your your registration.
車検証をダッシュボードに広げておいて
Just put it on your dashboard and leave it up and just like that on your dashboard. That'll be good. I gotta go change my registration. I wasn't sure if I could get that bad boy back open. I went ahead and bought a spare motor online from Yahoo. Then slapped it in because I'm still doing the overhaul on it. And got it up and running yesterday. So
as long as it runs right.
It was either that or an Alto. I was gonna do an Alto if I had to. But
how much was it? If you don't mind me asking.
800.
Oh well, shit, that ain't good.
Right? Exactly. That's what I'm like. Here we go. Just give it to me.
You
ran.
leave that on
popped right
camera.
in.
That dude got to come up.
I didn't have to do a thing, and it didn't have to do a thing to it.
All you had to do
Stock.
is
It hadn't been
put it
touched.
in.
Yep.
Oh, that was fine. Yeah, hello. So I'm gonna walk over here, see the course, see what the setup is. It's gonna be the same one you did yesterday. What? You don't have. I don't know if you're trying to get your jazz license. Just don't miss course.
Yeah.
I mean, drive the shit slow.
That's what she told me. She's like, you can't miss anything.
So it don't look bad.
No.
I'm gonna drive slow as hell. I'll make sure I'm gonna get it. And then
300, right?
I got the 350.
Yeah, remember me?
Oh yeah, the Attribution. How are
So
you?
you gonna be out here today?
Yeah,
You Nismology?
I am.
Hey, you got your you got your team.
Oh, appreciate it.
You out here, y'all.
Appreciate
Don't
it.
hit a miss score.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah.
You from Alabama?
Yeah.
Oh, from Mississippi.
Okay, all right, good. Yeah, I just came on your site.
Oh.
Yeah, I got
Oh, nice.
that one's yours? Yeah.
Very nice.
Nice. The 350Z next.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Looks real good.
Y'all do y'all thing. Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Nice.
It is.
So what time y'all saw a 9, right?
I think it's a 9. 9.
So probably everybody go once.
So right now we're just gonna walk.
その後に9時5分からドライバーズのブリーフィングを開始しますのでよろしくお願いします。
I'm about to have briefing, I guess, soon. So, yeah, I mean, fucking ain't got a lot of cut around this car. They wrote it on there or some shit. Check out that NSX. But right now they're doing test runs.
あくまで管理の方向をされてコースを確認していただいたと思うんですが、その後実際車に乗って走ってみて感覚をもう一回確認していただきたいと。その後1本目のステージタイム計測というような形になります。さあこの回数はね間違えちゃうとこの後の1本目2本目に響いちゃいますので、あまり無理して攻め込まないようにミスコースしないように走っていただくのが一番大事なことかなと思います。
That 360 right there is what's gonna suck. Even a Honda has a hard time with that. Yeah. cars going, people are going right now. Everybody's checking their car, making sure it's good. So NS6 out here rolling. My hat.
Unless you're looking for another.
Shane, can you erase that off the map video?
Glad we weren't recording now.
It's recording. Oh damn! Oh no! Oh no!
Rewind.
Oh no! Don't nobody see that. Hey. boy. Don't hate on the kids, boy. Ooh.
Yo me enloquecí, buscaba aún así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi buscaba aún así. Desde que te vi buscaba aún así y por fin te conseguí. Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba aún así y por fin te conseguí. Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba aún así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi buscaba